friends, it is time for me to introduce the newest stamp set. This is a club set, and I'm very excited about this one because summer is coming, and this is kind of a summery set, although I live in California, so really, technically, I could use this set year-round. And I'm very excited about this one. It is called Flip Flops to Stamp. Now, it is so much fun because of the dies that coordinate with it. So if you're a die-hard club member, you're going to have this stamp set and the coordinating dies that come with it. If you're a stamp club member, you're going to get just the stamps. Now, if you're a stamp club member and you want to upgrade to the die-hard club membership where you get both in the same package, check out our website. You can do that online for it to start next month. But now, if you're not a club member of any kind at our company, you can still order this regular price, which is only $12.88 on our website with the $1 shipping in the US. So let me show you the stamp set. I'm excited. So here we have the whole set. It has this fun wave border, which is extra fun because, of course, it has a coordinating die. And I know that doesn't look like much, but this is what it looks like backwards. And you can see it's just an edge die, so it doesn't cut the bottom. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute, how it works. But so we have the flip-flop or sandals. Some people call them sandals. We call them flip-flops. So, you know, either way. But here's the outline, and then here's the solid. Now, I bet you can guess what's going to be released next week because you know I love to do coordinating stamp sets that match. So stay tuned to May 7th because check out the website because we're going to have a coordinating stamp set. If it's after May 7th, check out the website now because there's going to be a coordinating stamp set that you're going to love. So we have those. Then we have the cute little part that goes, you know, that you're going to stamp on top, and I have lots of samples that, you know, for your little toes, and then little decorations, and then it says enjoy, relax, take one step at a time, hello there, miss you, wish you were here, we are quite a pair, it will be okay, I'm flipping out. Don't flip out. So those are lots of fun, and we have more sayings on the next stamp set, which is very exciting. Now, the die set that coordinates with it, and if you're not a die-hard member, this will come out on the 20th of the month, so you can order this later. Our die-hard members get it right away. And you have the two shoes, then you have the two little spots, the two little things for your little toes, the strap part, and then all the cute little doodads to decorate, and then this fun wave shape. Now, before I show you, well, let me show you the samples first, then I'll show you how the wave works. So I have tons of samples because you know my design team is absolutely amazing. This one, oh, and this is a fun one by Anna. She used this wave die and even pieces down here at the bottom, the extra parts of the wave die, and she used our little froggy, and it just says relax. And look at how beautiful that is. Didn't even use one of the stamps. She used all that die right there. This one is by Helen, and this one, oh, look how cute those flip-flops. Now, sometimes I call them thongs, but apparently nowadays you're not allowed to call them thongs because thongs are another part of clothing that you would wear, and my teenage daughters say I'm not allowed to call these thongs anymore because these are not thongs, these are sandals or flip-flops. Just an FYI. Teenagers, right? And so here's that cute little wave and just a cute little enjoy. Now this is another one by Helen, Don't Flip Out, and she decorated those little sandals with just a cute little sequin. This one's by Laura Williams. Oh, look how cute this one is. She hung it with the little mini clothespins. So simple, but so cute. And let's see, this one is by Beverly, and she made her own little Polaroid background there with a little sun, cute little flip-flops with the little ocean in the bottom. This is another one by Beverly, cute. Oh, love that hot pink guava ink. Take one step at a time, enjoy, relax. Here's one by Laura, relax, take one step at a time. Isn't that awesome? I love, oh, she had cute little embellishments for those flip-flops. Ooh, this is a stand-up card by Christine. It will be okay. Take one step at a time. So if you ever have anybody in your life that just needs a little extra encouragement, that's the perfect card. They can even put it on their little desk so they can see it at all times. I like that. And this one, oh, stuck together. This is one by Christine, and it is a flip it card. Relax. Take one step at a time. Isn't that awesome? I like that. That's fun. I love flip it cards. You know me. Christine again. Ooh, cute little banner hand cut with just little, and she used the little flower as embellishments on the stamp, on the card. Oh, this is a cute one, and this is by Christine, and she made her own little sun. You make my heart go flip-flop. That's an interesting saying. That's not there on that set, is it? I wonder where that came from. That one snuck in. Haha. Miss you. Oh, and she used our little alphabet banner set down there at the bottom. That's cute. Ooh, this one's by Anna. Look how pretty that is. Now with pattern paper and without even the stamps. Look at how cute those dies are with that little sandal. And another one by Anna, cute, enjoy. That's beautiful. She used the little starfish decorations for the sandals off to the side for a little starfish. Here's another one. This one's by Emily. We are quite a pair. Oh, and I love the little heart separate from those. That's cute. And then also from Emily, don't flip out, it will be okay. Now in your club shipments, you're also gonna get, this is something new that we started doing, and you're gonna get a card, so make sure you look in your envelope because it is in there, and you're gonna have a sample card idea of one of the ones I've just showed you. This one is by Anna, and it shows you what dies are related, and it shows you the stamps. Then flip it over, then there's 2 other ideas, which are really nice because then you can kind of get some ideas right off the bat. You don't have to always go to the website every time. Now keep this with your stamps and with your dies in the Sizzix envelope. So you already have 3 ideas right there ready to go. And always make sure you check out our gallery because you can always print those ideas and put that in the envelope as well, which is really handy. So that's a new thing that we're doing, and I hope you enjoy that. Now let me share with you really quickly this fun die because it is a little different. And because it doesn't have, so you can see the cutting edge here, but this straight edge is not a cutting edge. That's just the edge of the die, but it does not have a blade. So what it's going to do, and let me lay this down. I'm going to lay that down just right there. I'm using the magnetic platform. Now when you run this through, you don't want it to be a speed bump. Do not run it through your machine like this. That is a speed bump with these are your car tires. This is a speed bump. You don't want speed bumps. For best results, you want it to be nice and smooth on your car or your big shot, and you want to go a little bit at a time. No speed bumps, a little bit at a time, okay? So we're going to run that through, and I want to show you how fun this is. So I'm going to take that out, and I did use my magnetic platform, and look at how fun that is. So you can see it did not cut the bottom. This is what came off. It did not cut the bottom off, it just cut the top. And the fun part is, and Anna did do this on one of her cards, you can use this extra piece as a wave also. Isn't that fun? Or just a cute little decoration. You can do it this way, you can do it that way, you can do lots of fun things. Now imagine doing this like that, so you can really see that blue. Then you can also layer it, so if I ran this blue through, let's run it through a little bit, let's run it through like right there. So we're gonna run that one through just a little bit lower, and let's move it off to the side a little bit more, because we're gonna layer these. I just want you to see how fun this die is. Again, no speed bumps. We hate speed bumps. Well, speed bumps are good. They make your life safer in real life, but we don't want speed bumps for our big shot machine. So we're gonna take this one out, and we're gonna pull that out. And now I have another wave set. So now I made this one a little bit smaller, kind of like Anna's card here. And you see how she just layered all of those different waves all the way around? That's what I'm starting to do here. And I can make a lot of fun things with that. I can also even do something fun like this. I can layer other pieces on top. Look how fun this is. Let me layer that, and I can even add an extra little piece there. So you're gonna have a lot of fun just with that one die alone. Look at that, isn't that cute? If I had adhesive on the back of that, that would be fun too. So I can do a lot of fun layering and have a lot of fun with that. So make sure you check out our design team gallery on our website because we have a lot more ideas using this stamp set and die set there. Also, don't forget to check out our website in a couple more days because we have that coordinating stamp set, and we have some other fun goodies that we're releasing. So make sure you check out our website because I have some new Sizzix products that we are releasing today. So check out the website. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Cause even though you got it, it's never like you got it on your own. shadow in the black light, looking over, taste the good life. 'Cause even though